Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be opening up a surprise ERIN CONDREN box with you all. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Carla and on this channel I share videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. If you enjoy these kinds of videos, then please subscribe down below. Okay, so here is the ERIN CONDREN box that I will be unboxing with you all. I don't really do surprise boxes. I don't know, I just feel like I don't want to spend money and get something that I don't really want. I've probably purchased one surprise box, and to be honest, I was pleasantly surprised by it. So I just figured, you know what, let me just pick this surprise box up. If you don't know anything about ERIN CONDREN, the brand is known for their calendars or their planners. I have these two planners that I picked up. This one's from last year, this one's from this year. And I just really like that, you know, one, it's very organized. Like, it helps me keep myself organized. I'm able to write down any videos I want to make, plan them out to see the days that I want to make it. And I just really like that everything is pretty much just written out. Like, I love the monthly aspect. And then every month, like for example in January, it pretty much just leaves beautiful little quotes. As here it says, passion and purpose give you progress. And you'll find this every month. Then you have your regular monthly stuff, and I love that there's just a little note section, and that's just really quickly on the planners. So yes, there are also markers that this company makes. It's just a lot of stuff. So let's just see what's in this box. And I have a pen, I don't have scissors. I'm just gonna, so we got that piece off, and something beautiful is on the horizon. How beautiful is this box? And it comes with this, and it just says the 2020 summer seasonal surprise box is here. And the theme for this one is something beautiful on the horizon. So let's just see. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of freaking out. I don't know why I'm freaking out. I just don't want to get stuff that I'm not going to use. So it's just wrapped in this beautiful pink tissue paper, some extra wrapping, and I think this is the first item. What is this? Oh, so this is just a zipper pouch, which I'm not really sure what I would use this for yet. I'll always find something to use these products for. Not that I would go out and buy it, but I could find something to use them, like something to put them to use. But I actually really like this print. I'll probably even use it like as a cute little clutch with a pair, like a white top, some blue jeans. This would be really nice. I love the metallic rose gold right here, and then this blue is kind of metallic, you can't really see, and I love that wrinkled vibe that it has going on. And like I said, it's just a zipper pouch. This is the interior of it. It's pretty big. I know my phone would fit in here and a few other stuff, just in case if I wanted to use it as a pouch, like a going out pouch. Next, and I don't think I mentioned this, I purchased this. This was $40, and I think I bought it in April, so May, June. So yes, about 2 months ago I purchased this, but I've literally just received it. That's why I'm sitting down here. I wanted to make a video really quick on this box. I was kind of excited when I got it, so I was like, let me just make a video and unbox it with them. So yes, I picked this up, $40, 2 months ago, and I just got it. So this is, what is this? This is a petite planner sleeve. So this is for the petite planner, which I don't have. So I don't really know what I would use this for, because I don't have any use for it. Unless they gave me a petite planner, we'll see as we go through this. But for right now, I don't have one. It's cute. It's like glittery, and I'm assuming this folds in like this. So it folds like this, and you just put your planner in here, because this would be the pockets for the planner. Let's see what we have next. So next we have glue tape. So glue, fix, craft, and create anytime, anywhere with easy, mess-free glue tape. Is that whiteout? I think it's whiteout. Glue tape. Okay, so it's definitely not whiteout. It's glue tape. Exactly what it says, Carla. So you just tape on a glue area and you're able to just fix whatever it is that you want to fix. Alrighty, so far we got the planner sleeve, we have the zipper pouch, and then here we have some notepads, and these are so beautiful. I must admit that I really love the pattern on this. The colors, it's like this wavy kind of effect. I really like this, guys. So just a pack of notepads that came in here. Next we have a Petite Journal. So yes, it did bring its own Petite Journal, and it just says something beautiful is on the horizon, which, like I said in the beginning of this video, that is the theme. That's what the card said. That is the theme. So that's why it has like all of this beautiful little horizon looking things with the beautiful colors. But let's open this up and see what this looks like. So a journal is literally just a journal. So it's just a book with some pages. So right here it has lines here and then a blank page, so you could just write something and maybe draw something on the other side. Maybe right here add photos if you want. This would be really cute for, like, I don't know, like crafty kind of stuff. If you're into like scrapbooking, you could add pictures to this. You could do a lot. I think this is actually really cute. And I grabbed the sleeve again because I just want to see if this actually fits. So put this side in here. All right, so perfect. It actually does fit. And I like how this sleeve kind of add a little bit of glitter to the planner, and it keeps it from, like, if something spills on it, you can wipe it right off because of this protectant sleeve on it. So yes, I really like this. All right, so the next thing we got was a dual tip highlighter duo. So this came in a pack of 2, and it just looks like regular black highlighters. Let's just see. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's like a gray highlighter and then gray again. It's just that the tip is thick on one side and then it's thinner on the other side, if you can see right there. So this one is in gray, and then I got like a bluish charcoaly gray kind of highlighter. Okay, so I'm excited because I don't know, I'm such a child sometimes, but stickers. I love stickers. I don't know, I love playing with it. I love sticking it in areas. I don't know, it just spruces out your planner so much. And these stickers definitely give summer vibes. Like, you could see the little swan for the pool, sunglasses, popsicles, things like that. Next, we have some pocket scissors. I've never really seen pocket scissors, so I'm curious just to see how this looks. Oh, this is actually really cool. Look at that. So you just close it. Let's see. You just close it like this, and it looks like a pencil or something like that, like a pen and marker, and then you open it and you just have a pair of scissors. This is actually really cool. So far I'm loving this box. The last product here, sticker paper sticker book. So let's see what is in here. And it's a sticker book. Let's see. From color coding systems to decorative detailing, we love seeing how you add glam while you plan. With our collection of designer sticker sheets, there are even more ways to cut, style, and sticker for days. Get creative and cut out shapes or use the grid included on the back of each sheet to cut straight lines. The possibilities are endless and the planning potential is unlimited. So this is what they're talking about, the little grids, which help to cut these little sheets out so much easier. And these are the patterns, and how beautiful are they? This is really, really, really nice, guys. So nice. So many different colors. And I'm not really an artsy, craftsy kind of person, but when I get items, I find that this kind of brings out my creativity. Like I said, I picked up 2 planners, but I know that this company creates a lot of different things. So I wanted to just pick this up, the surprise box, just to see what other stuff is out there, stuff that I would not have noticed on the website in a sense. I'm happy with this box. Like I said, sometimes I'm ambivalent. I don't really buy surprise boxes because I just don't want to get something that I'm not going to use. But I feel like every single item that I got in this box, I am going to try to use. I'm going to try to get my creativity kind of flowing. I'm also curious to see if anyone else has used any of these products. Like, I'll check out YouTube, see if there are any videos out there on any of these products, just to kind of give me some ideas, things like that. So yeah, these are the colors of the stickers. I love every single item that I got: the scissors, the sticker book, the extra stickers, the little journal, the highlighter markers, we got the glue tape, we got the notepads, and then we got this cute little zipper pouch, which, you know, I said I would use this to go out in, but I wonder if I could just use this and just stick all of these products in it and kind of just keep it tucked away. And if I want to, I can use this to kind of keep my handbag organized as well, like if I want to bring this with me. So every single item actually fits in here. It's actually perfect. So yes, I'm definitely going to use this zipper pouch to hold all of the items. So yeah, guys, that's it with me unboxing this surprise box. Hope you enjoyed this. I've never really done a video like this, but I wanted to share this box with you guys. I enjoy doing unboxes and showing you guys my real reaction, showing you the items that I end up getting. Please remember to be kind to yourself, be kind to others, love yourself and love others as well. Also remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. See you in the next video.